Hey there, creators! Welcome to my channel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to create stunning animated videos like this one and monetize your skills. To get started, head over to the Play Store and search for Hypertext. Install the app, open it, and tap on Intro. You'll find various animated video categories, but if you're having trouble finding what you need, consider upgrading to the premium version. You can purchase on the Play Store or email me for more info. My contact's in the description below. The premium version offers more features and templates to help you create engaging content. Let's dive in and explore the world of animated video creation. I'll guide you through the process, and by the end, you'll be equipped to produce high-quality videos and grow your audience. So let's get started. Now, let's move on to creating your animated video. Open the Hypertext app and tap on Intro at the top. Scroll right and select the cooking category. Browse through the templates and choose the one that suits your style. Click on it and then tap Use this template. Play the video and click on the close sign to delete the text overlay. Next, click on the download icon at the top. Select your preferred resolution and export the video. Once exported, you can edit the video using CapCut or UCut editing app. I'll be using UCut, so head over to the Play Store and install the app. Open UCut, click on Create New Project, and select the exported video to start editing.
Now play the video and stop at the exact place where the video meets. So mine met at 3.5 seconds where the vertical line is showing. After you identify that, then click on PIP. Click on PIP. Click on PIP. Then you look for the food stuff that you download, like jollof. So I downloaded some jollof here and some plates here. So I'm going to export the jollof first. Now the jollof is here. Then what I have to do next is to max it. So click on the max. Click on the max to max it to circle. So you have to tap on the circle, then you click on the max sign, then bam, that's been done. So now we need a plate that we can put the jollof inside. So I'm going to click on the PIP and select the plates that I want to use. So click on the plates, click on the plate and ensure that the jollof is sitting inside the plate. This can be done by tapping on the jollof or the plate. So now I tap on the plate, so I'm going to tap on the jollof rice. So once you tap on the jollof rice, it will appear. Then you expand it to fit inside the plate. So it has now fit inside the plate. So the next thing that you have to do is to animate it. So click on animation and select fade in. And select fade in. You can increase the second time. So select I'm increasing the time that it will fade up to appear. So make sure you select the time wall. After you select it, then you click on mark. Then you do the same thing for the plate too. Then you do the same thing, you animate it, you click on the animation. Then you select the fade in. Then you select the fade in. Then you increase the time small, then you click on mark. Once you are done, then click on mark, then it will go boom. So now you have to play the video to see where it has been appeared. So you have to play the video. So here is it. So boom, we are done. We are done now. You can see the video is playing. The video appear, the food appear exactly where the foodstuff meets. So I'm going to play the video from the beginning to see. You see that it has fade in. So this is how it is done. It is simple, everyone can do it. You can try for other animation videos. I generated a lot of money from this thing. I charge people just to create this type of video for them, and it has helped me. If the animation doesn't match well, just adjust it to this extent that it will match it very well. So make sure you extend it. So once you are done, then you click on the download button at the top. Then you can export it. Then you can export it. So that is it. So it's now installing, initialization. So it is now downloading. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. I'm going to create more video like this so that you can use the same strategy to make money. Thank you for watching.